What are personalized daily briefings?
The personalized daily briefings use AI to gather key information relevant to you, like emails, news, and calendar events, and create easy-to-read summaries. Instead of checking multiple apps, you receive essential updates in one place. This makes it easier to start your day informed and organized, letting you focus on what's most important.
Choosing the right AI tools.
Several AI services can build daily briefings, including platforms like Zapier, IFTTT, or built-in options from Google and Microsoft. Consider your needs, such as which apps you use most when picking a tool. Look for services that securely integrate with your email, calendar, and favorite news sources for a seamless experience.
Connecting your accounts.
Once you've chosen a platform, link your main accounts. Connect your email, calendar, and news sources. For example, with Google Workspace, you can sync Gmail and Google Calendar. Authorize each service so the AI can pull relevant updates, but always check privacy settings to keep personal data secure.
Customizing briefing content.
Personalize your daily briefings by choosing which types of information you want included. Most platforms let you select specific email folders, set news preferences, or highlight upcoming calendar events. Adjust the frequency and timing of summaries to match your routine, like a morning digest or a midday update.
Receiving and using your briefings.
Decide how you want to receive your daily briefing, by email, mobile notification, or even in a smart speaker's daily update. Start each day by reviewing your summarized essentials, saving time and reducing information overload. If needed, adjust your settings to ensure the briefings always deliver what matters most to you.